In this video, I will show how to differentiate a function that is the sum of power functions. So we have a function f of x given above, and to differentiate it, first I'm going to write every term as x to some power. So 4th root of x is the same as x to the power 1/4. 1 over x cubed is same as x to the power -3. And 1 over cube root of x to the power 5th is same as x to the power -5/3. And to find the derivative of this function, I'm going to first use the property of derivative that says that the derivative of the sum is the sum of the derivatives. Same as with the difference, and therefore to find the derivative of the given function, I have to find the derivative of x to the power 1/4, x to the -3, and x to the power -5/3. And each one of them is now a power function, and we can use the power rule. So to find the derivative of x to the power 1/4, I bring the 1/4 coefficient down and subtract 1 from 1/4. To find the derivative of x to the -3, I bring the -3 down and subtract 1 from the power. And finally, to take the derivative of x to the power -5/3, I bring the -5/3 down and take 1 away from -5/3 in the exponent. And now I just have to simplify the result. And if we want to write it without negative exponents, we can write it like this. So this is how we use the power rule to differentiate the function.